You might not be aware of it, but every single day a handful of traders makes a lot of money on the stock markets, even during times of economic crisis. So we're going to have a closer look at how they do it. First, understand that trading financial assets works exactly like real estate. When prices go down, you buy, and when they go up, you sell. However, there are two different ways to bet on the stock markets. You can buy stocks to resell them at a higher price later on, but in this case, it all depends on supply and demand. The stock price could decrease even further and never get back to the price at which you bought it. A second option is to follow the trend, buying when the price is rising and selling when the price is falling. This is exactly what this handful of traders is doing, winning large amounts of money by making bets on the stock market with a single click of a button. To make a long story short, they play against the system. The strategy they use is pretty simple, yet it's very smart. They know that if a stock price is falling, it means that most people in the markets are trying to get rid of it. This creates a strong pressure on the downside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price dropping further for a short period of time. The opposite works just as well. They know that if a stock price is rising, it means that most people in the markets are trying to buy it. This creates a strong pressure on the upside, allowing traders to make a quick profit by betting on the price rising further for a short period of time. On a few sites, traders place these bets in a single click and from home. So, now that we're done with the theory, let's have a look at how this works in reality. EasyTrader is the main site I use to make money online with this strategy. This is what it looks like. Usually, you would have a link to a sign-up form on the top right of this page to get started by opening a free account. In this case, you can't see it because I'm already logged in. You'll also notice that I have $5,298 in my account right now. I started a month and a half ago with a deposit of $300, meaning that I've made $5,000 in pure profit so far. So let's get started. First, you need to click on Trading in the menu bar. You get to the EasyTrader main trading interface, and then you need to click on Trading Area. There are many assets we can trade on, but I like to focus on indexes, currencies, and commodities. Right now, we're on the indexes page, and if I scroll down, you can see all the indexes that are available to trade. So I'll scroll back up, and we're going to place trades on the assets where the expiry is in about 15 minutes or so. A few other assets are in 45 minutes, which is too long to wait. So the first one that I see expiring now in around 15 minutes is the NASDAQ 100 future. What I do is click on the call button and bring up the chart. As you can see here, this is what I call an upside trend. The price is definitely going up overall. You could argue that the price was going sideways in the middle of the chart, but really what matters is the overall trend, which is the main direction the price is taking. On this chart, it's clearly going up. Since it's an upside trend, I make sure that the call button is selected and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully, and you can notice that it appears on the right side of the site. Now I can close the chart for this asset and move on to the next one. Next on is S&P 500 future. I click on the call button and have a look at the chart. There again, this is an upside trend. The price is not going up in a straight line, but it's clearly going up overall, and that's all we care about. Therefore, since it's an upside trend, I make sure that the call button is selected and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully, and you can notice that it appears on the right side of the site as well. So I close the chart and I move on to the next one. Next one is CAC 40 future. I click on the call button to have a look at the chart. And you guess what the trend is. Another upside trend, of course. I don't think you need more explanation. It looks the same as the previous trades we've entered. So therefore, since it's an upside trend, I make sure that the call button is selected and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully. Again, the trade appears on the right. Now I can close the chart and move on to the next one. Next one is the DAX future. I click on the call button to have a look at the chart. There you go, just another upside trend. It's not as clear as the previous one, but remember the rule. If the price is clearly going up overall, which is the case here, then we can place the bet. It's an upside trend, so I make sure that the call button is selected, and I bet $100. Transaction executed successfully. Again, the trade appears on the right. Now I can close the chart. So let's see what we have here. Usually I would go to currencies and commodities to keep on looking for other trades to make, but I already have 4 trades in, which I think is enough for one session. You can see that I now have $4,898 on my account, $400 less than when we started this session, which is perfectly normal since I entered 4 trades at $100 each. The trades all appear on the right side of the site. If I click on Your Balance and My Trades, you can see the list of all the trades we are in. All of them are calls for $100. Going back to the platform, I can see that our trades are expiring in about 10 minutes now. What I'm going to do is pause the video and come back in 10 minutes so that you don't have to wait that long. And I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're back on the platform. As you can see, the trades are now expiring in about 25 seconds. If I scroll up, you can see that my balance is still $4,898. The trades can still be seen on the right side of the site. So let's wait a few more seconds until our trades expire. Three, two, one, expiry. That's it. It's over for this session. All the trades have now expired. Let's wait a bit until the trades on the right disappear and my account balance updates. Trades are updated now. Let's scroll up and have a look at my balance. Great. I now have $5,589 in my account. We started the session with $5,298, meaning that we made an amazing $291 profit in less than 20 minutes. Not bad, is it? To check the details of the bets, all I have to do is click on Your Balance up there and My Trades. Then all I have to do to bring up all the trades we made in this session is click on All Trades. And there you go. You can see here all the bets I've made today, the 4 of them. Bets of $100 each time, and the winning rate is 100%. Each bet getting me slightly more than $170 in the end. Now, I've won all the bets here, but it's obvious that you're not going to win all of your bets all the time. That's clearly impossible. What matters is that you end up winning more often than losing in the end. That's how you make money with this strategy in the long run. I can use this strategy every half hour if I wanted to. I just need to get back to the platform and do it all over again. I hope you liked this video. This strategy is used by many traders all over the world, and it's very powerful, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for your time. We'll see you later.